Hello and welcome to all students. This is first year BSc class, and today we are going to solve some examples on simple interest. In the previous lecture, we defined what is meant by simple interest, and we have written formula for simple interest also. Okay, so let us try to solve some examples based on simple interest. Okay, so let us write question number 2. Let us write question number 2. What principal will yield? What principal will yield? What principal will yield rupees 500 as simple interest at 16% per annum in first in 1 year, second in 5 years. Okay, so let us try to solve this example. Let us write the answer. Okay, so first of all we write what is given to you. Given that the simple interest I is given, I is equal to 500 rupees, and rate of interest R is given to you, it is 16% per annum. Okay, so let us write first case, and we have to find the principal. Okay, so in first case we put n is equal to 1, means number of years, n is equal to 1. Okay, so we know the formula for finding simple interest. I is equal to okay, so I is equal to P R N whole divided by 100, and it is equal to okay, so we put the values of these variables. So I is 500, it is equal to principal is not known, or means rate of interest is given to be 16, and n is equal to 1 and divided by 100. Okay, so if we, so 100 is dividing on the right hand side, if we take on the left hand side, so 100 will get multiplied with 500. So 500 into 100 is equal to P into the product of these two things is 16. 16 into 1 is 16. Okay, so now the product of this is 5, okay, 50,000 rupees, and is equal to P into 16. And in the next step we will divide by 16, or take a 16 on the left hand side, 16 will divide this 50,000 rupees. Okay, so P is equal to 50,000 divided by 16. So P is equal to, therefore P is equal to, if we calculate this division on the calculator, we get the value of P to be 3,125 rupees. Okay, so this is our answer in the first case. Principal amount is 3125 rupees. So if we invest 3125 rupees for 1 year with the rate of interest 16 per annum, then we get simple interest of rupees 500. Okay, so in the second case now, in second case, let us take n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. So again we use our formula. I is equal to P into R into N and whole divided by 100, and in this formula we put the values of parameter. Okay, so I is given to be 500. Okay, and principal is not known, rate of interest is 16, and n is given to be 5 and whole divided by 100. Okay, so again next step will be 500 into 100 is equal to P into product of 16 and 5 is 80, and in the next step we will write P is equal to so this is 50,000. Okay, and 50,000 divided by 80. Okay, so if we calculate this on calculator, what we get is P is equal to 625 rupees. Okay, so this is the principal amount when we invest for 5 years with the rate of 16% per annum, then we get 500 as a simple interest. Let us take question number 2. Okay, let us take question 2. Okay, so question is, if rupees 4,000 amount, if rupees 4,000 amounts to rupees 4,000 amounts to rupees 5,200 at simple interest in 3 years, full stop. Find the rate of interest. Find the rate of interest. Full stop. So let us try to solve this example. Okay, so it is given to you, if rupees 4,000 amounts to rupees, okay, at simple interest in 3 years, find the rate of interest. Okay, so what we have given, the initial principal is given to you, and that initial principal is rupees 4,000. After that, we have given the amount which we get after 3 years is 5,200. 5,200, okay, rupees. Okay, this is in also rupees. Okay, also given that n is equal to 3 years. 3 years is also given to you, and suppose the rate of interest is r, that we have to find. Okay, so what we will do is, we know that the amount is equal to principal plus interest. Okay, so amount is given, so amount is rupees 5,200, principal is 4,000 rupees, and plus interest is a simple interest, and that is given by P into R into N whole divided by 100. Okay, so if we shift this 400 on the left hand side, then we will have 100 1200 on the left hand side, and it is equal to principal is 4,000 into rate of interest plus number of years are given to be 3 divided by 100. Again shift that 100 on the left hand side, so it will 100 will multiply to this amount, and that amount will become 120000 is equal to 4000 into R into 3. Okay, so these 3 zeros will get cancelled with these 3 zeros. Now the left is 120 is equal to 4 into R into 3. Okay, and what is now left is this thing, 12 into R divided by 12 on the left hand side, then you will get, so divide by 12 throughout, so left hand side will be 10 is equal to R. So this is our final answer. Okay, final answer is R is equal to 10% per annum. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, so 10%. So if 400 rupees amounts to rupees 5,200 in 3 years, then the rate of interest must be 10% on the principal per annum. Okay, so that is our answer. Let us take next question, or I would like to give homework to you. Let us write one homework. So try to solve yourself. Homework. So write down question for homework. In how many years how many years in how many years the amount of money will be double. The amount of money will be double. Will be double the principal. Double the principal. Will be double the principal at simple interest of 12% per annum. At simple interest 12% per annum question mark. Okay, so this is homework to you, so try to solve this question at your own at home. Okay, so let us we stop here. This is the end of this lecture, and thank you very much.